Hello everyone, Inspire Infotech, Ranebennur.
Biceps counting using a sensor.
The materials which are used in this project is ultrasonic sensor, MCU, LCD, transformer, and these are the gym equipments. Now let's start. In the last few decades, sports engineering, a reliable new engineering discipline, has made many progress in a research. In a technically and scientifically terms, it is a field which applies engineering concept to solve the problems associated with the sports equipments and designs, structure and development which are used by the sports professionally to encourage their performance in this field. Any type of physical and training results in a changes in the ultrastructure of the muscle strength and the performance change in a different muscles areas, and a protein in the muscles result in the change in the muscle structure. The main purpose of this model is to recognize the counting of a biceps and the trips. Now I am going to show the counting of the biceps through the sensor. It will calculate the distance and the counting. It will show the counting. It will show the counting of the biceps and the distance. Engages the body sense through the ultrasonic sensor and we can see the counting and distance in the LCD, and we can count the biceps through the ultrasonic sensor. And it will also measure the distance.